How to find unlimited YouTube video topics and ideas. YouTube seems to be covered with content about everything. It's the second largest search engine in the world, and technically Google owns it, which is the most popular search engine in the world, so it owns both of them. And billions of people are using it every single month. With so much content being published on YouTube, it's hard to find that new topic to talk about in your videos. But every day, more and more creators grow their channels from 0 to hundreds of thousands, if not millions of subscribers in a matter of months. So how do these creators find inspiring new topics, new content that'll attract much more attention? The first thing I want you to keep in mind is that you don't need to start absolutely from scratch. As a creator, a part of your job is to capture the questions, the problems, the needs, the wants, and the favorite topics of your audience. And there are quite a few tools that'll help you get this information. Knowing the right topics to talk about is one of the most important pieces of your strategy on YouTube. When people are seeing your YouTube video title that's interesting for them, that compels them to click through. But you have to keep in mind that whatever topic you choose to talk about, you better deliver on that promise, because that's going to grow your audience and your channel. If you don't deliver, you're going to get people to leave. It's your ability to draw that attention, not just from your titles and your thumbnails, but also from your content to get people to stick around. It's that whole flow. If people leave after they click through within the first few seconds, it tells YouTube that your video was crap. So let's take a go over at finding the right topics for your YouTube videos. First off, Google Trends. Google Trends shows you what's booming right now. That's what people are searching for and looking for. Then you got Social Animal. It'll help flood you with tons of content. And this is great. Pretty much think about your content calendar. It can help you with that and make it all into one amazing journey. For competitive research, I love Ubersuggest, and specifically Ubersuggest questions. You know when you type in a keyword into Ubersuggest, there's tabs that say questions, answers. It even has comparisons and prepositions. Answer the questions, because that's what people are typing in right now, because it's taking it from Google Autocomplete, which is another tool. And another one that does something similar but in a visual format is Answer the Public.